Shenseea drive her son Bugatti and it looked like one new spice challenge upon the rise. So full details on those stories coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Yeah, I want to see the ladies, them I go crazy for the up top boss. Them just a fiend, so when them I go stop. So welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. I hope everybody is doing good today. You know what I mean? I have some videos lined up for them. I go show the Spice Challenge. Me want it for call Spice and Beer. I don't know if I saw it name. I don't know if nobody else I go do that challenge, but it look like a challenge. It look like something to do a challenge with. So I go show another video, right? If you remember the original video was Spice post, take a look at it.
Watch pool bar. Watch man. Watch Rasta. Watch Versace by so. Watch lace we got lift up. Watch Rasta. Watch Black Love over so. Watch Kiss.
So on YouTube, couple make a video. Now I don't know if that video gonna start a challenge, but the youth named Willie Kwan and the girl named Mini Psycho. So let's take a look at their video where they make after the Spice video. Here goes.
Why? Watch pool bar. Watch man. Watch Rasta. Ooh, watch lace to lollipop. Watch Brown Love. Watch Kiss.
So when you see what I go on people, and when I say start a challenge, I don't mean like if you do the same exact video, because a couple videos Spice do well. So if people, you know what I mean, start do over back some of them video there where Spice do well there, it would be interesting, I think. But let me know what you think in the comment section. I have a foolishness may I chat, alright?
Yo, DJ, just get 2 strain of weed, you know. One named S.K.I Global and the one here named Drop Dead. I want more weed in my life.
So remember when the Ramesh give Raju and Bugatti for his birthday? Remember me that I call him Bugatti boss for the regular people and watch that channel there all the time. But today now we see him and his mother drive out the car, you see me? Him have the remote control and his mother in the driver's seat. Well, I one seat did it, so you know what I mean? But I have the video for the people. I will tell you what's to say in the caption. So let's take a look at the video. Here goes.
Stop. No, I said there's it ran out.
Easy now, steer the wheel good.
Put it on table now. Put it on table now. I'm almost there, okay? You're almost there. Then you'll hit straight back. Don't dash into the neighbor. I want to go back up.
Boy, no, it's curve. I go back up there now. I want to go there.
Yeah, people, so let's see what I go on with Shenseea and her son. She does have a fun day with the kid, you know what I mean, the Bugatti boss, and she get to test out the machine. You see me? So big up Shenseea and big up Raj.
Man, this is S.K.I boss missionary globally, artist / producer. Yeah, man, I feature this brand new female artist where we have put her road. Her name is S.K.I. S.K.I. So you know, say, I share about this thing right now, I roll. Yeah, the producer, so you don't know, say, loud something. So check out our brand new tune, Sky Dread. Yeah, by the S.K.I Global Music label. And done with the struggling. Another hit tune. So loud and clear. S.K.I, be up yourself. S.K.I was. Say that, you don't know.
Register me on the cloud. Yo, they just get 2 strain of weed, you know. One named S.K.I Global, and the one here.
So the song named S.K.I Dread and the artist named S.K.I. So let's take a listen.
Name, drop them. I want more weed in my life. I need some high grade. Register me on the clouds and name me S.K.I Dread.
So the artist found from Portland, but she resides in Kingston right now. And the song is produced by S.K.I Global music label.
I'm S.K.I Dread. Just call me S.K.I Dread. I'm S.K.I Dread. Just call me S.K.I Dread. When I'm on stage, I'm on grades. When I'm off stage, I'm hungry.
So I want to big up all the ladies them will smoke the herbs. You see what I say? Because them say the herbs is the healing of the nation. I want to hear what S.K.I said. She said when she dip on stage, she dip on the high grade. And when she off stage, she hungry. That means she have the munchies. And I so you know, say S.K.I a real smoker because 2 things make you get the munchies. Either you smoke some hungry weed or either you smoke too much weed. And we know say S.K.I not smoke, not hungry weed.
When I'm done with the plate, I do dub straight. From Sunday to Sunday to Sunday. Pass the sativa, don't left the Rizzler. Just play a piece of the highway and the sizzler. Grab her so hot that the high grade a sizzle up. My migraine, I feel left me fly beer up pigeon.
So people, a lot of people say the best grades come from West. But you know what I mean? We just also say whole heap of grades come from West. Because you have some little spot throughout Jamaica, you know, where you get some real high grade, you see me? But they just now plant it enough for we say, yo, the best high grade come from this side. If you don't understand how me attack, someone want to tell me, where you think the best high grade come from?
Me Nike care off a friend by a pound, say you know, say me have to get peace. She a play hard, so me have to beg, please. Spliff never cool up, plus when me roll up, just now I want more weed in my life. I need some high grade.
I want to give you a little quiz. I want to give me 3 names for weed. You know what I mean? Any 3 names you can think of where you can call herbs, weed, marijuana. Just 3 in the comment section.
Register me on the clouds and name me S.K.I Dread. I'm S.K.I Dread. Just call me S.K.I Dread. I'm S.K.I Dread. Just call me S.K.I.
And people, not because of the weed song we have focused on, you know. The artist have other song, you know. She have a song named Done With The Struggling. And the one there upon one reality level. So I'm going to put the link to both songs so you can check them out as well. And I'm going to put the link to all our social media.
I only make reservation for the weed. It's a date, such a celebration. It is a season to bake. Reason to wake up, feeling so great. It's not easy to make, but it's easy to take. A hit, oh God, they put the weed in the cake.
I acknowledge our flow of people. When you hear that right that's a while ago, and when you hear the words and when she a rhyme, she said bake, we up there so you know. And she said wake and she make some more rhyme and then she come way down your side and say they put the weed in the cake. So when you see how that all tied together, you see me? She bad people.
I'm rolling Bob Marley, I'm streaming the Drake. I'm steaming, no sleeping, I'm feeling awake. I'm really relieved, but I'm pleading.
I grade. So I know someone must have sing that part there by now if you don't make it thus far in this video. You see me? Someone want to big up the artist one more time. Her name is S.K.I and the song is called S.K.I Dread and it's produced by S.K.I Global music label. So I'm going to put the link them to the full song so you can hear it without me talking, right?
No, it's S.K.I. Kingston, Jamaica, West Palm Beach, Florida, bad company.
Yeah, people, so like me say, you know what I mean, bad song, bad artist. You see me, big up the producer them as well. So thanks for watching and big up on yourself. Alright.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.